Okay, here's a 2011 Acura RDX, I believe. So a little hazy. He said he used turtle wax wipes. I didn't know turtle wax had just like wipes that you could just wipe on like that. Anyways, there was some film there, some kind of polish. It looked pretty light. So I don't know. I still did P500 grit on a dry sand, just cause. I probably could have 1,000 wet might have been able to get it done here, but I wasn't sure, so I just used a 500 and just kept going. So 500 there, got the little crevices and cracks there, so you see a little extra hand sanding. So we'll just move up to 800 now. We're just getting rid of those 500 scratches. So one thing about the hand pummel that I really like is once I hand sand after every grit, the next grit I use, it's kind of like a guide. So I hand sanded at 500, and then on the 800 with the machine, once I see the hand sanding scratches disappearing, I know I've got it. So I just make sure the whole light is gone from the hand sanding. And that's kind of an indicator for me that I know I've gotten all the previous grit scratches out. Little extra work, but, plus I'm using the hand sander to try to get anything I missed, or, again, just trying to be thorough, So just moving up in grits. We're getting rid of the lower grits here. That purple disc got to be probably 1,000 grit by now, so... I always tape, guys. I do use the machine, so I'm always going to use tape. I don't really care what anyone says. I'm never not going to use tape. Even on a hand sand, I'm going to use tape. Like, I just don't have time to be scratching people's cars. So, moving up now, we're really starting to get some pretty good clarity. This was a ceramic job, and of course, I forgot to do the cut and polish video, so we're going to cut to the end, and there it is. So the cut and polish is nice. It gives you clarity for a bit longer, and this ceramic is a bit more sparkly there. So good deal, guys. See y'all later.